How to change Steam username. Now the process or steps that I'm going to be showing you right now are the most basic and popular one. So if you're going to be doing this via the Steam client or the web version, all those processes will actually be the same. Now I'm going to be using the web version of Steam. Just make sure that you're logging into your Steam account. Same goes with using the Steam client. All I have to do is go into your current username and go to view my profile. And once you're here, all I have to do next is go into edit profile. Then if you scroll down a bit, under profile name, this is actually stand as your username. So whenever you change this, this is going to be the one that you will be using to log in into your Steam account. Change it, scroll down, hit on save, and then you have it. That is how you change your Steam username.